Hey, if you wonder how to see if someone read your text on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, then I will show you two tips. The first one is like really obvious, but when you open messages and you receive new message that you actually didn't check, then if someone tap on it and go back, it looks like you already read this. But if someone actually opened like already read message, then you cannot get this information. But I find one way. So you will have to go into the settings, then you will have to go for digital well-being and the parental controls, click right here, and then you will have to go into the screen time for today, of course, or yesterday, and now find messages application, and from daily switch to hourly. And as you can see now, you've got the information which time this application was opened. So as you can see, now I can find information that on the 8 p.m. someone actually opened message for 1 minute. So yeah, this is like the only way to get some information about this. So that's all. Please subscribe.